Hello, Yarn Besties. I am the Crafty Crocheter, and if you want to become a Yarn Bestie, click the subscribe button so you get access to more content. And if you like what you see in this video, give it a thumbs up. Hit that notification bell so you get notified when new videos come out. Don't forget to hype this video, share this video, and recommend this channel to all your family and friends. Alright everyone, so this is going to be a yarn review, and this has been a yarn review I've been wanting to do for a while now, so of course I like to do yarn reviews anyway, but this one is kind of special because it's one of those yarns that I have worked with I've kind of worked with in the past, but it's not. So I'll just disperse the formalities and get to it. Alright, so the yarn I'm going to review in this video is from Premier. It is their Spice Shop yarn, and this is a really pretty colorway. You can see all the different kinds of colors in there. See some greens, yellows, oranges, yellows. I'll go into the specs of the yarn later on in the video, so I thought I would do this and I'll do like I always do. I'll do like a crocheted swatch, and I'll do a knitted swatch, and then show you what it looks like all worked up, and then I'll give my honest opinion of the yarn. So if you're ready, grab your crochet hooks or your knit needles, and let's get this crafting party started. Alright, so the yarn I'm going to be reviewing in this video is from Premier Yarns, and I am an affiliate for Premier Yarns, so if you go to my Premier referral link and click on it and purchase yarn from it, any purchases made as a result will put some commission money in my pocket, which will further grow the channel. Alright, so the yarn I am reviewing in this video is from their Spice Shop line, and I'll go into more detail about the yarn. So it's 109 yards or 100 meters, 3.5 ounces or 100 grams. It's 80% acrylic and 20% wool, and here's what it looks like all knitted up. I like this yarn because Premier Yarns, for some reason, I kind of like how they do this. They have a sample of this worked up, so you have an idea of what it looks like when you have it worked up either by knit or crochet. All right, and so the colorway for this yarn is Curry or Colorway 2137-06. Again, the colorway is Curry, and it is you hand wash cold, lay flat to dry, so it's not machine washable. And then there's a super bulky number 6, and the recommended needle sizes for knitting is a US 10.5 or 7 millimeter, and for crochet hooks it's a 8 millimeter or US L11. All right, and again I'm going to show you what the crocheted swatch looks like and what the knitted swatch looks like. I'm going to show you the crocheted swatch and the knitted swatch in this video, then I will give you my honest opinion and rating and how I thought the yarn worked out for both crochet and knitting. So first I'm going to show you that I did go with the recommended hook and needle sizes for this yarn. So again, the recommended hook size for this yarn was an L 8.0 millimeter crochet hook. And then I'm going to show you the crochet swatch first. So now this is a type of granny square. Now if you're familiar with my Christmas lights blanket that I made, this is the exact same square that I made. Now you can see how that yarn kind of worked up. I like the way that the colors transition. You got the greens, and you got a little bit, got browns, and then you got some the blues, oranges, and it goes back into like this like maize yellow green type of color, and then it goes around again to the orange. Yeah, this yarn worked out pretty easily on the crochet hook. And as with any other acrylic wool blend, you get that little bit of haloing effect, and sometimes you get that little bit of splitting in the yarn strands, but you just got to be cognizant of that when you're working with your crochet hook or your knitting needles. And I am aware of this little bump here in the swatch. I think I misjudged the stitching here, but overall it worked out great for the crochet application. Excuse me. So next I'm going to show you what the knitted swatch looks like, and again I did go with the recommended needle sizes for this, and they recommended a 10.5 US 10.5 or 65 millimeter knitting needles. And here is what the knitted swatch looks like, and I just did the basic stockinette stitch. And again, this turned out exactly how it looked on the label. So if you look at the side by side, this turned out basically exactly how it looks in the picture, which is fantastic, which is why I like Premier Yarns when they have this example of what it looks like knitted up or worked up. So it gives you some sort of idea of how it's going to work out, either crochet or knitting. But this little bump here, you know how sometimes when you're working with yarns and you come across two strands that were tied together during the production process, that's what happened here. Again, this turned out great. Overall, I would say that this yarn worked out pretty well on both crochet and knitting. Again, you just gotta be careful with a little bit of haloing, and sometimes the yarn fibers can split if you're not careful where you place the needles or the hook. So that's the only thing I would have to, only kind of negative I have about this yarn. All right, so I'm gonna lay these, let me move these out of the way. I'm gonna lay these side by side as a comparison. Again, there's the yarn, and then there's the crocheted swatch, and here's the knitted swatch. And if I would have to give this a rating, I would rate it a 5 out of 5 skeins, because it's easy to work with. It's a thicker yarn, so it's easier to see, especially for people who have who are visually impaired or have vision problems. But again, the only negative I have about this yarn is that it kind of splits a little bit. So I guess it's due to the fiber content of this yarn, but you just gotta be careful when you're working with your crochet hook or your needles. But this is a very fun yarn to work with. It's very, and this is a very thicker yarn, so this would be great for any kind of, like, you could do hats or scarves or blankets that require a thicker textile to keep you warm during the cold winter months. So I would say, again, I am an affiliate with Premier Yarns, so go out and get yourself this yarn and work up a great project. And again, any purchases made as a result of going to my site will result in some commission money coming in my pocket, which will further grow the channel. I hope you enjoyed this video as much as fun as I had making it. Now, let me know in the comments what you plan to do with this yarn once you work it up, or what plans you have for this yarn. Again, this yarn I like to enjoy this yarn very much. Again, you've seen my ratings, so it speaks for itself. Again, let me know in the comments what you all plan to do with the yarn, or what you think of the yarn. All right, so hope everyone's days going well today. Don't forget to grab your crochet hooks or your knit needles. Grab that yarn and create something beautiful today. Spread love and not hate. Be there for one another. Help each other out. Be kind to one another. Pay it forward if possible. Love yourself. Be true to yourself. And don't let anyone deter you from your path. And stay on top of your mental health, because good mental health is very important. And again, if you like what you saw in this video, give it a thumbs up. Hit that notification bell so you get notified when new videos come out. And if you haven't already, subscribe to the channel. All right. This is the Crafty Crocheter. Thank you for watching. Happy crafting.